And today video Galaxy S25 camera. This month I'm gonna go all the way to 8K 30 frames per second, but at the moment we're on a 4K 60 wide angle lens. Vlogging style. You can compare this video to any other smartphone, same place, different time. Wide angle, super stabilization. Now it's on in 4K 60. How stable it is? I think it's super stable. You can also do a main lens if you wanted to. Let me switch it off. And telephoto all the way to 12x. 12. Can we read the license plate? Not really. It's switching between lenses. Semi-smooth, not extremely smooth, but smooth. Do we have autofocus and wide-angle lens? For macros? Whoop, it's cold today, cold. No, we don't. You have to go to the main lens and then you have a lot of bokeh, which is super cool. How quick it is? Quick 2x, quick 3x, super quick, and you can do the front-facing camera during the recording. How cool is that? Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will when I'm out of the frame, should compensate nicely. Do you have autofocus and front-facing camera? Yes, we do. And that is super cool. For example, if you want to show some details, whoop, details, look, the amount of details. No, don't focus on my face. 8K 30 frames per second. Wow, quality is amazing. So what else do we have in this smartphone? I can see we're on a portrait mode. Portrait. Well, portrait is better on your face, and I can see it tracking me nicely. You can zoom out if you wanted to. There are some filters available. If you want to, skin filters. What else do you have? Aspect ratio and brightness, I guess, and timer. All right. In a photo, filters. Oop, I took a photo. That's okay. That's okay. Our filters are also available on this side. There you go. There you go. The amount of filters is amazing. Also, you can choose a filter for your old photo, which you didn't capture with a filter, so you can change it on if you wanted to. All right, switching to the. Well, it's 50 megapixel. All right, switching to 12, then we can zoom in all the way to, I guess, 30x, but that's electronic zoom. Going back, let's take a couple of pictures, and that's what. I've got something enabled. You can do 8K 30. There you go. 4K 30, 4K 60. So you can switch lenses during the recording, front and back. And you can see 4K 60 for the front face camera. Let's do zoom again. 12 times. All right. What else? More. And in the more department, we do have Pro Video. And in the Pro Video, you can do all kinds of ISO, EV, focus peaking, colors. You can switch between rear, front, and Omni microphone. At the moment, I'm using a USB microphone. You can do even Bluetooth microphone if you wanted to, but I wouldn't recommend Bluetooth. The regular Bluetooth is not too powerful. Well, not enough bitrate for great quality audio. Anyway, we have zebra. We have false colors. It looks like in a Predator movie. All right. What else do we have? Pro Photo, quite similar, but in the photo, basically the same deal, but in the photo, we do have matrix motoring. All right. But we can also shoot, I guess we can shoot log, but that will be in the video. Let's go back for you. So if you want to color grade your footage, that is a feature for you. Switching at 8K 30 frames per second. And log is available from all the lenses that you can see. Even, okay, front one is not available, but main ones are available. For the photo will be the similar. We have 50 megapixel on the palm of our hand. All kinds of filters and features. Spot metering. Let's continue to the dual recording. And in the dual recording, you can record at 2 cameras at the same time. For example, you can choose this one and this one. Hit OK, and you can see 2 cameras at the same time. You can put it in the middle. Great for vlogging. And I don't think it's 4K. Looks like full HD, but it is what it is. You know what's the advantage of such a bright lens? Then the wide angle is also very bright and you don't get that dim wide angle. Very clear and cool. And that's a huge advantage for the S25 to any other smartphone. You won't be able to do such a crisp and bright video in any smartphone in the world. Wow, impressive. Why do you need autofocus and wide angle lens? For example, if you want to show details, you won't be able to, but with the main lens, you could. Wow. Samsung has also great AI for the photos. For example, if you want to delete something, just look around it. It has to be accurate. Look, making all kinds of AI action. I wonder, is it going to be great? Because the picture is quite difficult with that. Yeah. Wow, that is impressive. There's no distortions, zero. Amazing. Then the conclusion, if you're looking for superior optics, look something else like, well, Oppo, OnePlus, Vivo, and all kinds of smartphone links in the description. This is a #1 in the software, because software is amazing in this one, especially AI. It's killing it. #1 at the world. I wonder how the Ultra gonna be. Well, maybe in the next video. So for now, link in the description for samples, photo samples. If you want to download them, just there you go. See you next video. Bye.